In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a store to your GoDaddy website. If you want to start selling products directly from your site, GoDaddy makes the process fairly simple. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through where to click, what each area means, and how to get your online store section added smoothly. To begin, open your GoDaddy account and sign in. Once you're inside your account dashboard, look for your profile area. This is usually where you can access your account settings and the products connected to your GoDaddy account. Click on your profile, and from there, choose My Products. This section shows the services and websites you currently have available. Next, find the specific website you want to work on. If you manage more than one site, take a moment to make sure you're selecting the correct one before moving forward. Once you've found the right website, click on it and then choose Edit Website. This will open the website editor, where you can make changes to the content and layout of your site. Now that you're in the editor, go to the specific page where you want to add your store section. This part is important because the page you choose will determine where visitors see your products. For example, you may want to place the store on your homepage, or you might prefer to add it to a separate shop page for a cleaner layout. After opening the page, you want to edit, look for the option to add a section. In the list of available sections, find Online Store and click on it. This is the feature that allows you to bring e-commerce functionality into your website. Once selected, the store section will be added to that page, giving you a place to display and organize your products. From there, you can then add your product. This is the stage where you begin building your catalog and preparing items for customers to view and purchase. As you add products, make sure the information is clear and complete, so your store looks professional and is easy for visitors to use. That's all it takes to add a store to your GoDaddy website. Once the store section is in place and your products are added, you'll be much closer to having a fully functional online shop. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.